Today I'm going to show you how to make a salad, and what you'll need is green paper, watercolor paper, printer paper, and a red, a golden yellow, and a peach colored marker to make a salad. So, first up, you're going to take some watercolor paper and you're going to kind of just mold it for a little. You might have to keep your hand in for a little and kind of make it wafery like that for a salad bowl. And then take your green paper, cut it up into little pieces to make some lettuce, and put that green stuff in the bowl. And then, if you want, you can use different shades of green, like how lettuce sometimes has that white crunchy stuff. And it should look like that. Mine's a little low, so I'm just going to give it a few trims. No more. Okay, and then kind of mold it a little more with the lettuce in there. Okay, I think that looks a little better. Then you're going to take a red marker and color a little strip of stuff and then cut these most skinniest little pieces of the paper. I have all of these little pieces like this. So cute. But I can't really make them that thin because I don't want to cut myself. So then you're going to take all these little red pieces and put them in the salad and then kind of mix the salad around. And then you're going to take some peach and golden orange. You're going to cut them into strips. Just the same. And how you'll color them is you'll do like a peach first, and then you'll do like a golden, so it looks like croutons. And that's a little salad. And then if you want, you can take a real napkin and make it like a small one, and then you can try and make your own dressing for the salad. And that is it for today. I hope you like learning how to make your own little salad to go with maybe a pizza and french fries. And that is it for today. I hope you liked it. Bye.